Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to use a step to stretch out your calves, which can help reduce a lot of tension in your foot and your calf, obviously. Great for someone who has plantar fasciitis, even some knee pain. What you're going to do is you're going to come outside where we go to our step, and you can follow me out here if you want to, and then just try to get an angle over there, I guess. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the railing for support. I'm just going to let my foot drop down like this, and as I let my foot drop down, I'll get more and more of a stretch. If I keep my knee straight, I'm going to get also part of my knee where the muscle attaches. If I bend my knee slightly and drop my foot down, I'm going to get closer to my ankle when I get this release. You want to make sure you get both sides, obviously. When you do this stretch, you're going to want to hold for at least 30 seconds. So go ahead and give that a try. Thanks so much for watching this video. This is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.